Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off active status on Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now, to turn off active status on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to turn off your active status. And after opening your app, you'll be on this interface. At the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile icon with three lines on it. Tap on there, and over here again at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on it, and on this page, guys, you will be required to scroll down until you can find the active status option just below the blocking, or the last option under the category of audience and visibility. Tap on active status, and over here it says, guys, so when you're active, and to the right side of that you can see a toggle icon. If you tap on it, that will be turned off, or this menu will appear where you'll be required to tap on turn off again, and your active status has been turned off on Facebook. And guys, even if you are active on Facebook, you won't be shown active on Facebook. With that being said, this is how to turn off active status on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.